Hey everyone! Want to earn cash back on Binance and maximize your crypto rewards? Today, I'm revealing 10 easy tips to help you claim cashback vouchers like a pro. Make sure to stick around till the end because I have a special bonus tip for you. Before we begin, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, subscribe. If you love crypto tips, drop a comment below if you're using Binance, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Oh, and if you haven't signed up for Binance yet, use my exclusive referral link in the description below to unlock special cashback bonuses. Let's get started. Your cashback vouchers are stored in the Rewards Center. Just go to your Binance app, then Profile, and finally Rewards Center to check what's available. New users who sign up using a referral link can unlock bonus cashback vouchers. Use my special Binance referral link in the description to claim your reward today. Don't miss out. Binance often runs limited-time promos that reward users with cashback vouchers. Keep checking the Binance promotions page to grab your share. New users can earn cashback by completing easy tasks like making a first trade or deposit. Visit the Rewards Center to see what's available. When you use Binance Pay, you can earn cashback on certain transactions. Check the Binance Pay section for ongoing offers. Some cashback vouchers are exclusive to futures traders. If you trade futures, check your Rewards Center for available vouchers. Binance Launchpad and Launchpool sometimes reward users with cashback vouchers, so yeah, stay updated to make the most of these opportunities. Some savings and staking products come with bonus cashback vouchers. Check Binance Earn for ongoing promotions. If you have a Binance card, you can earn cashback on every purchase. Activate and use it to maximize your crypto earnings. Cashback vouchers expire, so don't forget to claim them before they disappear. Visit the Rewards Center and redeem them as soon as possible. Want to start claiming cashback on Binance? Click the Binance referral link in the description below to sign up and get your cashback rewards. Subscribe to my channel for more crypto tips. Comment below if you found this video helpful. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.